Bob, what are you doing?
Nothing, Jesse. What happened?
Can I ask you something?
Yes, sure.
I am confused about phrasal verbs. I see them everywhere, in movies, in daily conversation, even in class, but I do not understand how to use them in real life.
That is normal, Jesse. Let's sit first. Actually, many learners feel the same. Do not worry, I will explain slowly.
Please explain from the beginning. What is a phrasal verb?
A phrasal verb is a verb plus a small word. That small word is usually a preposition or an adverb. When we combine them, the meaning changes. Sometimes it changes completely.
So it is not just the verb alone?
Exactly. Let me give you daily life examples, like get up, meaning to rise from bed. For example, I get up at 6 a.m. every day for school.
Oh, that's great. Give me another one.
Okay. Second is turn on, meaning to start a machine or device. For example, I turn on the lights when it gets dark. She turned on her laptop to do homework.
That's how I can remember properly.
Third one, turn off, meaning to stop a machine or device. For example, please turn off the fan before you leave. I always turn off my phone before sleeping.
You know what, Bob? Now I am getting it easily. Now, next one.
Yes. Next is look after, meaning to take care of someone or something. For example, she looks after her little brother. I look after my plants every morning.
Thank you so much, Bob.
Now, give up, meaning to stop trying. For example, he wanted to give up learning English, but he continued. Do not give up when things are hard.
Easy to understand.
Last one, find out, meaning to discover information. For example, I need to find out the exam date. She found out the answer online.
Great.
If you learn phrasal verbs like this, you can easily remember.
I will definitely try this method. Thanks again.